Guys, it's your boy MC and Mr. Candlelove is once back again with another reaction video. Actually, today's video is a kind of a different. I'm doing something different today. It's a kind of a sport video, and the name of this video is when players lost or loses their head. Bro, this is an awesome video. I want you guys to be ready to laugh, get something to drink, be ready. But before we dive in, I want to remind you guys, please guys, subscribe to my channel, click the like button, leave a comment. You know, when you do those things, it helps improve the algorithm of my channel. You know, let's make this channel, let's grow this channel. I love you guys. Without wasting much of your time, here we go. Oh my God, they throw a bottle of water. Amazing, okay? Pepe. I know Pepe already has someone that is always angry. Cristiano Ronaldo, yeah. Let's go. Neymar.
That's high.
Neymar is one of them. Oh, that's high, that's high, that's high.
He's lucky for me.
And he's trying to be the one that has been hot. This is one thing about Neymar, you know? He's the one that hurt the guy, but he's trying to be the one that is hot. I didn't see this one, let me take it again. I didn't see this one very well, let me check it again, you know?
Lost their way here.
Let's see. Oh.
Supporters are starting.
Oh my God. Zlatan. Ronaldo. Oh my God. No. That is too ugly. That is too ugly. Come on, Ronaldo. That is too ugly. Oh my God. And he keep killing him, you know? Wow, that's against Liverpool.
There's a straight red card for Raul Tomas. There's a silly sending off. And Diogo's gone down here.
One funny thing about footballers is the way they react when something literal happens to them. They react. How could that hand that hit his back of the neck would pull him down? He just went back. Oh my God, these guys can act, yeah? Now he's up. He hit me again. Okay?
Sì, terribile.
Oh my God.
Like, carried on.
Come on, see this. What is happening here?
Took her opportunity.
She deserves it. Oh my God. Oh, what is happening?
Marcus Acuna.
You don't touch him.
So Marcus Acuna goes to ground.
Sur la tête, juste derrière la tête, Dimitri Payet.
Come again. No. There was no contact. Let's go back. I think I saw that piece of plastic fell on him. Let's go back.
Sur la tête,
Oh, okay. That was a touch.
sur la tête, juste derrière la tête, Dimitri Payet.
Oh my God. He's running. Okay, it's okay. No. You don't pull him that way. Yeah, like I always say, that was the hand wasn't enough for him to faint, to collapse and land the way he did. But the other guy made a mistake also by trying to pull him up. You know, that doesn't make sense. Don't do that. Let him do his movie. No. This is where I'm against. You know, this is where I'm against.
Опережает Аарона Рамсдейла, поскольку в кислородную паузу случились грандиозные события в его жизни. Дебют за сборную Англии, первый гол за сборную Англии.
Oh my God, I remember this game. I really remember this game between Yogon and Atata. I watched this game live. Yeah, that's money. Yellow card. And they are still shouting. Oh, this is a karate. Oh my God. Oh my God. No.
При таких раскладах была довольно предсказуемо, что здесь происходит. Эмре Can
What happened?
сорвался.
What happened? He was the one that hit the guy and he now fell on the floor.
Порро не выдерживает ни
I hope there is no card.
у Эмре Cana. Ну, здесь... E tu pro Vitor Gabriel. João Vitor. Opa! Virou Vitor.
This is why I love football, you know? This is why I love football.
Calma, rapaziada. Tudo bem.
This is why I love football.
É mais difícil de controlar.
Oh my God, this is why I love football. It's the crazy things. Oh my God. What a slide. What a slide. Oh my God. That was a red card. A red card. A well-deserved red card. It's a well-deserved red card, you know?
Who sent dispossessed right at the last.
Oh my God. He caught him.
Holding his face after coming together.
Why always trying to bring them up when they fall on the floor? Always leave them. Let them do their thing. Yeah, your hand caught him. His hand caught him, you know?
This is brilliant.
Yeah, his hand caught him on the jaw.
Milan have done it.
What? Oh my, no, this is a red. This is a red. Woo! Woo! No, why is he challenging? What is a 50-50 challenge? Oh my God, that's a red card. No, it's a red card. It's a red card.
Wycofanie do tyłu, kaput. Był tam Karol Angielski. I mamy żółtą, drugą i w konsekwencji czerwoną kartkę dla Karola Angielskiego. Taką decyzję podejmuje w tym momencie pan za to wejście Bartolewskiego. Jeszcze mamy kolejny festiwal kartek.
Come on, he slapped him.
Eu pensei, é algo que se falar ainda contra, né?
Oh my God.
Desvio ali, né, do jogo. O cartão pro David Braz me pareceu com reclamação. Agora ele vai lá olhar.
Shit.
O lance do Gabriel Dias do Marlon. Olha.
Pulling away Liverpool.
No, no. The ball was going for the keeper. No.
By Virgil van Dijk on David Hamer.
No.
Initial reaction was it absolutely wasn't. The goalkeeper looked like he just dropped.
В атаке, попадающий сзади, Quaresma падает.
Quaresma.
Судья.
Ronaldo was given a yellow card. And that Quaresma was brought down.
Мне показалось, что Quaresma
Mais 8.
Oh my God. Oh, shit. What a kick. No, that's not a card. Confirm. Is that a card? Is that a card?
Expulso Wagner.
That was ugly. Oh my God. What's happening here? What's happening here? What? Oh, that's Messi. That's Messi. We know him when he's with the ball. Oh my God, that's Eden Hazard. And the big man is there. Romario. There's the kick. Romario Lukaku. Oh boy, guys, that was a very, very momentum actions in this football video. Guys, I want you guys to know that I love you guys and I really appreciate you guys. Everything you guys have been doing for me, I really appreciate you guys. And I want you guys to know that I will keep doing this as long as you guys keep watching. Like I said on my last video, I was amazed that I took off like 2 weeks. I didn't post anything. I didn't even come to YouTube. A lot of you guys wrote me, inboxed me, some called me, some wrote me on email. I was surprised. Wow. What's up, guys? We have not been seeing your content. What is happening? I was like, no, I took some days off. That really motivated me. If I was gonna quit, that really brought me back. And I love you guys. I want you guys to know that I appreciate you guys. I will keep doing videos, you know. I will keep doing videos. Like I always say, if there is any video you want me to react to, leave the link below here, and I will definitely check it out. I love you guys. I will be signing out, Mr. Candilove.